Hello everybody, it's nice to see you guys all again. I know I really haven't been posting at all, but I might just start a music career if this actually sounds good. The song I'm trying to sing is called Stitches. Saw Mason, whatever, I don't know how to read it. But I really do hope you guys enjoy this. I'm a terrible singer, but my friend, Pandaberry Yeats wanted me to do this. So, see if you like it or not. Yeah. Please go and, check out her YouTube video. Alright, let's go. I know that I've been hurt before, but no, don't mind that. Never left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to bring me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Fucking fall to my knees. And I know that I'm without your kisses. I've been needing stitches, tripping off of myself. Thinking, begging you come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. It's like a motion to oh, you let me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna rip what I slow. I've never seen red on my own. Get me like I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit on you, my lover, and move on. Cause you watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling to my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, dripping over myself, aching, begging you come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. Hope you guys can hear the music. In the bed, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in thread, gotta wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta wind out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Get out of my head. Alright, I don't know how to sing this one, so guys, just listen. Watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling to my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging wanna come help. And now I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. And that's sort of it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what you guys thought.